We continue now with exercise 21B and we are on sum number 3 now. We have just completed sum number 1 ka 9 sum, and according to alternate sums we are going for the third sum now. So we are on sum number 3. If M is equals to A sec A plus B tan A and N is equals to A tan A plus B sec A. You have to prove that M square minus N square is equals to A square minus B square. Okay. So you just do normal thing what is possible over here. We are just taking the values of M and N and directly putting over here. So it is M square minus N square is equals to A sec A plus B tan A into minus A tan A plus B sec A. Accordingly, this is square A. So I'll square this thing. It becomes A square sec square A plus 2AB sec A tan A plus tan square A minus A square tan square, that is B square tan square A plus B square tan square A. Now this is A square tan square A plus 2AB sec A tan A plus B square sec square A. Open the bracket, we get A square sec square A plus 2AB sec A tan A plus B square tan square A minus A square tan square A minus 2AB sec A tan A sec A tan A minus B square sec square A. So this 2AB sec square A and tan A and this 2 minus 2AB sec square tan square A gets cancelled. What now remains is we have got over here A square here and A square here. You can take out A square common. So it will be A square common will be sec square A minus tan square A. Over here we will get B square common. So it will be plus B square tan square, or we can say minus B square, so that this becomes first, so minus B square, so it becomes sec square A minus tan square A. So this gives me as A square minus B square and sec square A minus tan square A. Now we know that sec square A minus tan square A is 1 by the identity. So this is nothing but A square minus B square, which was required. So that's why LHS is equals to right hand side. Got it? Sum number 3. Now we move on to sum number 5. Sin A plus cos A is equal to M and sec A plus cosec A is equals to N. So it is M is equals to sin A plus cos A and N is equals to sec A plus sec A plus cosec A. You need to prove that N into M minus M square minus 1 is equals to N to M. Okay. So let us do something over here so that we don't need to do LHS and RHS both. So let us do it this way. m square n minus n is equals to 2m. इसको इधर लेके आया तो फायदा है क्या? नहीं ना. ओके, नो फायदा. ठीक है, जाने दो. We'll keep it as it is. We'll multiply whatever it is there over here. So it will be sec A plus cosec A into sin A plus cos A the whole square minus 1. That's LHS. So this will be sec A plus cosec A into sin square A plus cos square A plus 2 sin A cos A minus 1. Sin square plus cos square is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So it will be sec A plus cosec A into 1 plus 2 sin A cos A minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 cancels. So you get over here 2 sin A cos A into sec A plus cosec A. We now need to multiply, so it will be 2 sin A cos A into 1 upon cos A plus 2 sin A cos A into 1 upon sin A. This is 1 upon cos A, this is 1 upon sin A. ये sin गया, ये cos गया. So you get 2 sin A plus 2 cos A. That is 2 sin A plus cos A. But sin A plus cos A is m. So that is equals to 2m. Yeah, good. Not a problem. Easy. So LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, that was sum number 5. We now move on to sum number 7. Sum number 7. M is equal to cos A upon cos B. M is equal to cos A upon cos B. And N is equal to cos A upon sin B. N is equal to cos A upon sin B. Okay? You need to show that. Proof. M square plus N square cos square B is equal to N square. ठीक है? LHS M square plus N square into cos square B, cos square A upon cos square B plus cos square A upon sin square B into cos square B. LCM, so it will be cos square A sin square B plus cos square A cos square B upon cos square B sin square B into cos square B. This gets cancelled. You want n square, यानी sin square b चाहिए, यानी इसको रखना है. Very simple. So you can see here, we will split the denominators right now. So it will be cos square A, or we'll keep it as this. Cos square A is common between both of them. So cos square A sin square B plus cos square B. Wow, excellent. This is very easy now. See this. I just take cos square A common, this is sin square A plus cos square A. This is 1. The sin square B plus cos square B is 1. So automatically this gives me cos square b upon cos square a upon sin square b into 1. Now cos A upon sin B is n, so that is nothing but n square. So LHS is equals to RHS. That was sum number 7, and this gives you the end of exercise 21B. Now we continue with exercise 21C. Now in 21C there are certain formulas. In fact, it has been said, you have to confirm from school also that this particular exercise, that is of complementary angles, have been cancelled from the 10th standard portion because it has been added into the 9th standard portion. So if at all it is confirmed, then you may skip this, but it's very easy, so it doesn't matter as such. You can always do this thing, it's very easy. So we will do it right now. अगर by chance cancel हुआ तो भी क्या फर्क पड़ता है, doesn't matter, because many times it happens that it is not confirmed and then you are in a dilemma whether to do it or not. So it's better to be done rather than leaving it. So yeah, we will do the exercise 21C now. But before we start with the exercise 21C, some important formulas based on that. So we have the first one as sin 90 minus A is equals to cos A. Cos 90 minus A is equals to sin A. If you remember this, we are done in the 9th standard in trigonometry. Tan 90 minus A is equals to cot A. Cot 90 minus A is equals to tan A. Sec 90 minus A is equals to cosec A. And cosec 90 minus A is equals to sec A. So these are the 6 formula which we are using in this particular exercise 21C, right? Sin theta is, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta, sec 90 minus theta is cosec, and cosec 90 minus theta is sec. Okay, these are the identities or the formulas which are using for, these are called as complementary angles. Okay, this is trigonometry of complementary angles, that always sine, you will, if you remember, sine 30 is 1 upon 2 and cos 60 is 1 upon 2. So cos 60 is nothing but sine 90 minus 30. Okay, so that is how we are saying. So cos 60 is sine 90, yeah, sine 90 minus 30. Okay. Okay, let's see the sums. Yeah, in case you, in your new textbook, if this part is not there, you can let me know, then it will be confirmed that it is not there in the syllabus. But if your new textbook still has this part, then of course we have to do it. We don't have a choice. So you can just let me know whether this particular thing is there in the new textbook or not. Okay, exercise 21C. Tan 10 degrees, tan 15 degrees, tan 75 degree, tan 80 degree is equals to 1. This is what you need to prove. So it's very simple. Tan theta is cot 90 minus theta, right? So it is nothing but cot 90 minus 10, cot 90 minus 15, tan 75, tan 80. So it's cot 80, cot 75, tan 75, tan 80. Cot 80 is 1 upon tan 80 into tan 80. Cot 75 is 1 upon tan 75 into tan 75 is equals to 1. Easy? Very, very easy. Third sum. First का third. Sin 26 upon sec 64 plus cos 26 upon cosec 64 is equal to 1. So sin 26 upon cosec 90 minus 64 plus cos 26 upon sec 90 minus 64 is equal to sin 26 upon cosec 26 plus cos 26 upon sec 26. So that will be sin 26 upon 1 upon sin 26 plus cos 26 upon 1 upon cos 26. That will become sin square 26 plus cos square 26. That is 1. Because sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Hence, proof. We move on to sum number second. Explain the following terms of 0. Oh, that's the most silliest one. Most silliest question. You just need to convert this 59 degrees into any degree which is less than 45 degrees. And the 63 also, so it is nothing but cos 90 minus 59 plus cot 90 minus 63 is equal to cos 31 plus cot 27. That's the answer. Third sum. Cos 74 plus sec 67, that is sin 90 minus 74 plus sec के बदले cosec 90 minus 67, that is sin 26 plus cosec 33. No, 23. This is 16. That's the answer. We now move on to sum number 3 ka first. Well, let's take the second one. Third ka second, fourth ka second, और फिर fifth का करेंगे. Let's see. Question number third का second. Sin A cos A minus sin A cos 90 minus A cos A upon sec 90 minus A minus cos A sin 90 minus A sin A upon cosec 90 minus A is equals to 0. Okay, quite a huge sum. But normally they are very easy. So the rest, we'll keep it as it is, sin A cos A minus sin A. This will become cos 90 minus A is sin A into sin A into cos A upon cosec A minus cos A sin A upon sec A. So this gives you, as if you take the LCM over here, this is nothing but 1 upon sin A So sine goes here. So it is sine A cos A minus sine square A cos A upon 1 upon sine A minus cos square A sine A upon 1 upon cos square A cos A. So this becomes sine A cos A into sine cube A cos A minus cos cube A sine A. So again sine A cos A will be common between the two. So that will give me as sine A cos A minus sine A cos A bracket. What will remain here will be sine square A. Here what will remain will be plus cos square A. This is nothing but 1. So that will be sine A cos A minus sine A cos A is equals to under 0. Okay, that's it. So that is 0. So this will give you the exercise 21C, third sum. Third ka second. We now move on to sum number 21C, question number 4. Okay, question number 4. They are given that it's a triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, we know that angle A, we just write as A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, A plus B is equal to 180 minus C, and B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. This is, we will be requiring into the two questions what they are given you. I will go into a complete fourth sum. So first part is sine A plus B upon 2 is equal to cos C upon 2. So this is nothing but LHS sine A plus B upon 2 is nothing but 180 minus C upon 2. So that is nothing but sine 90 minus C upon 2, which is nothing but sine के बदले cos हो जाएगा, cos C upon 2, which is the required LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. In the second part, the same way, what we are having is tan B plus C upon 2 is equal to cot A upon 2. So LHS we have got over here as tan 180 minus A upon 2, because B plus C is A 180 minus A. So this becomes tan 90 minus A upon 2, which is nothing but cot. That's it. Because tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. That is LHS upon RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. That was sum number 4, 1 and 2. Okay, I'll stop here with this. Okay, I'll just continue with one more sum. Or else I will stop here so as to compensate with the third video. Third video I have made it for 40 minutes, so I'll make this as 20 minutes. So we compensate with it. So when I'm sending you, it's not a problem for you. Okay, that's it. We continue in the next video.